Okay, hello ladies of Teshuvah. So, the Feast of Unleavened Bread is upon us. And during the Feast of Unleavened Bread, the command is to eat unleavened bread. In fact, for the Seder, you have to eat unleavened bread. Now, for all my gluten intolerant friends who a little bit of gluten will send them through the roof to the hospital, bad things happen, we want to make sure that you don't feel left out. So last week, I figured out a really cool gluten-free matzah recipe. Now I love this because it's not a cracker. You could turn it into a cracker if you wanted to, but it's foldable, it's soft, and I think you're gonna love it. So as long as you can eat the following. All right, I'm gonna give you the ingredients for this recipe, and then I'm gonna make it real quick and show you how to do this and show it to you. It's really amazing. So the ingredients are as follows. Half a cup of white rice flour. Where is that? Right here. 1/4 cup of tapioca flour. 1/4 cup potato starch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1/4 cup kefir, and 1 tablespoon honey. And then I use the namaste in order to kind of roll it out and stuff, okay? So you're gonna need a wooden spoon, a bowl, your wooden or your pin, and perhaps something to get it out of the oven. And also I in the oven have I have stone in the oven, which I'm going to show you as we go through and cook this. It's going to be a really short video, I hope, but I just want you to know that everything that I have here is organic and non-GMO, which is a big deal. If you're gluten-free, get non-GMO organic ingredients here, and that will help a lot. Okay, so here we go. 1/2 cup of white rice flour. And I'm always kind of like approximate with my stuff, so you can double, triple, quadruple this, however much you need. Okay, I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of tapioca flour and a 1/4 cup of, where's my stuff, of potato starch. So 1/4 cup here, it's about a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of potato starch, a little much right there. Teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of salt. Sometimes you might need a little more, depends on what. Then we're going to stir it. All right, then 1/4 cup of kefir. Now this is your it's like your plain kefir, okay? So this is organic. There's nothing, there's no lactose in it. It's just plain kefir. This stuff is awesome. This has got a ton of probiotics. I also have an organic local egg. So just be careful what kind of eggs you get. But this is an awesome egg. I also forgot on the list 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm going to go do that right now. Okay, in the ingredient list, I forgot to tell you 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I have 2 tablespoons there of melted butter. I'm going to begin to mix it. Put the butter and honey and the kefir and the egg all together and mix it in to the flour. But here's where it's too sticky to roll out as dough. So you're going to take some namaste and you're just going to kind of mix it in so that until it feels like dough. Namaste on it. Okay, so there we have our ball. We're gonna roll this out. And look at that, you can actually roll it. If it does that, you just put it back together. Matzah, we're going to do pierced for our transgressions, into stripes. That's what we're going to do right there. Now we take it and we're going to throw it into the oven. So if you notice, I have a hot stone. That is really hot. It's about 450 degrees, and it will only take a minute or two more. The more you work it, the better it gets. You can also just use your hands. Woo! That stripe made it come apart. You can throw it in there like that. Alright. See how that is? It was only in for probably 2 minutes or less. And see how that's, you could actually fold it. Ooh, it's hot. Butter on it. You could put honey on it. You could make it sweet matzah. You could fill it with stuff. Make a little wrap, that sort of stuff. Yeah. I love that. That's so good. I think that tastes like regular matzah, actually. Okay, so there you go, ladies who are gluten intolerant. You too can celebrate the Feast of Unleavened Bread and eat lots of matzah throughout the week. These would probably make really great crackers, but they actually are molded, bendable, and soft. And the less you leave them in the oven, the softer they will be. The longer you leave them in the oven, the harder they're going to be. You can make them big for wraps, small for crackers, this sort of thing. And it's the piercing and that are causing this one to kind of fall apart a little bit. But if you didn't do that, it'd be nice and bendable. So anyway, have a great feast and eat lots of Yahshua. This is about eating of Yahshua. Bye.